Hi, I'm Jane Schleppenbach, and now this painting is going to be from some paint that I had left over from the horse painting that I did on the other video, which is still drying. I will show you that one real quick. It's that one. And anyway, so if you want to see the colors, you can look on the other video, and I put which colors they were. So first I'm going to put some white around on here. It's an acrylic pour painting. Just anywhere. Because this one's just going to be, I don't know what it's going to be totally yet. And I may or may not add some representational things to it when it's finished. So first I will pour some of that, a little bit. I put some dimethicone in each cup, which I didn't have when I made the horse. I didn't use it. Although I did use some alcohol in the first part. Isopropyl alcohol in the first part of my horse that I did. The other, but when I used these colors, I didn't have anything in it. Okay, let's see what happens here. And I will do the whole thing. I don't know how much of this paint I'm going to need, but so fun. I love the way the yellow is already making some cells in there. But I don't know if, we'll see what happens. Okay, now this. I'm just going to let that set a second. Maybe I'll put a little more white. There. See what happens here. Okay, now. Kinda pretty. Sometimes I lose the cells if I move them around too much, or if I tilt it too much. So this time I'm just going to pull them over. See what happens. At least I'll have that part, which is fun. This is fun. Whee. Might come out kind of like a big flower. I have another one like that, one of my first ones, that I pulled them out like this. It was kind of pretty. It is. I still have it. Now, the sides. First I'm going to paint this side like this. Then I might dump it around a little bit and see what drippies I can get along the side. Okay, I can take the cups, pour a little. Oops. Time for some fun. I need more colors on this part. Okay, now. Okay, here's some stuff from the cup. Here's more stuff from the cup. There. Random fun. Kind of fun. Okay, if you haven't tried it, you might want to try it. See? It's not too bad. Fun, fun, fun. There. Oh, this side. Ooh. Ooh. I like how that side came out. Now it probably won't stay that way, but it might. See, a little bit like that. Okay. More color. Those. That needs something in there. There. Now. Wow. Look at how that red did that. Pretty cool. Okay. I'm sorry, whoever's trying to call me, I'll get it. I'll have to call you back. there. Okay, now let's see how that dries. Alrighty, let's get this off. Oops, without getting my camera